Supplied goods interstate, so it has to be taxable where? IGST, because it is one state to another state. Unregistered dealer, even though it is purchases, we call it as reverse charge mechanism. Exported, we call it as zero rated supply. Warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adarsh sir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. Now, so we are in the 10th session of your topic called Indirect Taxation. Under Indirect Taxation, we are discussing about your levy and collection of tax. Now, as I told you, your Unit 3 is almost your Unit 4 only. Unit 4, it is nothing but Integrated Goods and Service Tax, IGST. Now, Integrated Goods and Service Tax, we have few problems, one or two. Those problems I have included in the levy and collection only. Now, whatever I am doing topic 3, it is including your topic 4 also. Hope you are clear? Yes. So, in today's session, we will discuss about your topic called problem and concept. Both will work out in today's session. These are the information we have. Determine the type of tax applicable under GST for the following transactions. Supplied goods interstate. Interstate means what? One state to another state. Supply of services interstate rupees 1,50,000. Supply branch transfer of stock. Then branch transfer of services. Supplied goods between two union territories. Supplied service between two union territories. Again. Next, branch transfer of service between two union territories. And we have branch transfer of service between two union territories. Then, supplied goods to intra-state. Intra means what? Within the state. Then, supply of services intra-state. Then, supplied goods within the same union territory. Then, supplied services within the same union territory. Then, purchase of goods from unregistered. Remember, I'll give you answer for all this. Now, unregistered dealer within the same state. Then, received services from unregistered dealer. Purchase goods from a dealer from foreign country. Then, received services from a foreign company situated abroad. These are the information we have. Still we have purchase of goods from unregistered dealer within the same union territory. Received services from unregistered dealer within the same UT. Exported goods, it is zero rated outside the country. Rendered services to foreign company situated abroad. So these are the informations we have. Now, so we'll go one by one. Transaction IGST, CGST, SGST, and we have UTGST. Now, supplied goods interstate. So it has to be taxable where? IGST, because it is one state to another state. Now, supply of services interstate. Services, we call it as your CG and SGST. Then, we have branch transfer. Again, IGST, it is taxable. Then, branch transfer of services, IGST. Supply goods between two union territories. You know that what is union territories? If it is between two, then it will be what? Your IGST. Then, so next one, branch transfer. Before that, supply services between two UTs. It will be this one and this one. Your CGST and SGST. First one, goods comes under IGST. Services comes under CG as well as SG. Now, I'll go to the next one. Branch transfer of services directly will come under IGST. Any branch transfer, it comes for IGST. Branch transfer of services between two union territories, it will be IGST. If it is between two, then it will be IGST. Now again it is what? Services. Then supplied goods, and again it is branch. Any branch transfer comes under IGST. Then we have supplied goods intra-state. Intra means what? Within the state. It will be CG and SGST. Then supply of services intra-state. See, it is services, so it will be what? CG and SGST. Then supplied goods, see, supply of services, even though it is intra or inter, it comes for CG and SGST. Next, supplied goods within same union territory. As I told you, CG and UTGST both will affect if it is within. Next, and again it is what? Services. Purchase of goods from unregistered dealer within the same state. Then it will be what? Again, it will be CG and SG. Unregistered dealer, even though it is purchases, we call it as reverse charge mechanism. And the last part, received services from unregistered dealer within the same state, we go for CG and SGST. Then purchase goods from a dealer from foreign country, again we'll go for IGST. Then received services from a foreign company situated abroad, again we go for IGST. Then purchase goods from unregistered dealer within the same union territory, we go for CG and UTGST. Then received services from an unregistered, in the sense it will come CG and UTGST. This is why it is UTGST. Why? Because it is union territory. Now, the last two will be exported. Exported, we call it as zero rated supply. And rendered services of foreign, again it is also called as zero rated supply. Hope you are clear. Yes, both comes under IGST and IGST. No need of any totaling. So I'll go back to all these slides. Please take screenshot along with questions. So this is your problem. Second part of your problem. And this is your last part of your problem. Your answer. Second part of your answer. And the last part. So these are the zero rated, comes under IGST. Hope you are clear with all these concepts. Please work out. It is little twist. I cannot explain you each and everything. You have to learn that if it is within UT, one UT to another UT, or it is services, goods, everything you have. Almost I have around 8 to R, almost 15 to 16 entries I have. If you work out this, you can work out any problem in your syllabus. Please work out this without fail. Write down the question, write down the table, work out twice, thrice until you learn. Please work out this format. You will understand better. Thank you.